Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa lahat. Dito na naman tayo guys. Maglilinis tayo ng CR sa ngayon. At habang nagluluto ang akam natin ng noodles casserole, tayo ay maglilinis ng toilet. At pagkatapos natin dito ay tinutulungan natin siya. So, panoorin nyo lang guys ang kanyang ginagawa. Ang kanyang dish for today is noodles casserole. Mahilig kasi yan guys mag-research kung ano ang gusto niya. So, ito na ang dish niya today. Ito ang dish niya ay noodle casserole. Noodles casserole. I-mix lang niya lahat. Pero yung una ay pinakuluan niya yung noodles. Sandali lang. Pinakuluan niya. Pagkatapos i-drain. At saka naman, pagkatapos i-drain, palamigin ng konti. Tapos saka ihalo yung mga yung ingredients. Ayun lang. Ayun, ang ganda ng noodles oh. Nasa yung kulo ay nasa gitna. Ganda panoorin.
How many minutes?
Ako, taga-video lang kasi pag gusto yan, pag gusto yan kumilos, siya talaga yung gustong assist lang sa kanya.
3 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
It's boiling in the middle.
So ayan na guys, kahit wala pang lakas totally yung right hand niya, ay gusto talaga niyang gamitin. Ayaw niyang sanayin na walang ginagawa. Kaya pag may ginagawa yan, assist lang ako pag hindi niya kaya. Kasi galing pa yan sa stroke. Hindi pa yan totally recover.
Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog again. So he's making what is that called? Tuna noodle casserole. So I just show you the ingredients there since he already mixed it together. So the ingredients of that tuna casserole is mushroom. This creamy mushroom. This what is this? Cream celery, green peas, this yellowfin tuna, and also a century tuna, premium red, and onions, and also the cheese, and the last is noodles. So that's the ingredients, all ingredients of tuna casserole. So here he already mixed it together, the all ingredients. So I don't know what to do. So he's the one doing that. That's his job.
That's my job. I'm the cook today. She made me clean, and I gotta cook.
Yeah, since that my job today is cleaning, general cleaning all here. Her room, JJ's room is very dirty, full of dust. That's why he's always coughing and coughing. Full of how to sweep under the bedroom. I mean under the bedroom, under the bed.
Okay.
Looks good na ha.
Sit on there.
So this is how you make tuna casserole guys, and then I did this what is this oil? Lace.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the lace on the tops. That's the toppings to make it crunchy. Oh, the cheese.
We messed up.
Oh, so the cheese supposed to be on the top. So this is for the crunchy.
Okay.
Yeah. You have to add another cheese on the top, or
That'd be too much.
that's enough oil?
Here, I'll melt down anyway.
Ito na yung tuna casserole. Ayan na.
Your inability to successfully move pennies long predates your acquisition of the time machine. That failure clearly stands out.
Sounds crunchy because of the chips.
In addition, your premise is flawed. In the original film, Rod Taylor thought he met the beginning of that very time machine. In Back to the Future, Marty McFly got the opportunity to hook up with his extremely attractive young mother. Those are movies. Of course they're movies. Are you expecting me to come up
You
with a
want some?
character involving a
Later.
real-life time machine?
I want some later.
Sir.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.